Hi students, welcome back to Chemistry Land. So in the last video we had seen about the topic that is adsorption, isobars and factors affecting the adsorption. Today in the present video we are going to see about the topic Freundlich adsorption isotherm in detail. Let us see. Freundlich adsorption isotherm. So first we will see about the topic adsorption isotherm. So what is meant by adsorption isotherm? It is the variation of adsorption at constant temperature. Here in this adsorption isotherm, temperature remains constant. So the variation of adsorption at constant temperature is the adsorption isotherm. Let us see the Freundlich equation. This is the equation x by m equal to kp power 1 by n. It is denoted as equation 1. Let us see the terms in this equation. Here x is the amount of adsorbate adsorbed on m gram of the adsorbent, that is x is the adsorbate molecule. So it is adsorbed on the surface. Surface is the adsorbent. The quantity is m gram. So m gram of the adsorbent. Then P is the pressure and K and N are constants. These are the terms in this equation. Then this equation is applicable for adsorption of gases on solid surfaces. So the gases adsorbed on the surface, solid surface, gases are the adsorbate. So for this process this equation is applicable, and also this equation predicts the effect of pressure or concentration on adsorption of gases. That is, the gases adsorbed on the solid surface, temperature remains constant. So this equation predicts the effect of pressure or concentration on this adsorption process. So these are the two important factors of this equation. Then let us see the second equation. The first equation here, taking log on both sides. So log x by m equal to log k. Here in logarithmic format the multiplication is converted as addition. So log k plus the power becomes in front of this 1 by n log p. So this is denoted as the second equation. So log x by m equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. Here this equation is denoted as a straight line, is compared to this straight line equation. What is the straight line equation? That is y equal to mx plus c. This is the straight line equation. So here m is the slope and c is the intercept. Let us see the graphical representation. Let us see this graph. Here log x by m is plotted against log p. X by m is the amount of adsorption, P is the pressure. So if pressure increases, the amount of adsorption also increases. A straight line is obtained. Here the slope m is equal to 1 by n. So this is denoted as a straight line, that is compared to the straight line y is equal to mx plus c. So the slope m equal to 1 by n. The intercept c is log k. Okay, the intercept is log k. And let us see the value of n, that is n is always lesser than unity. Unity means equal to 1. So the value of n ranges from 0 to 1. So let us substitute this value of n in the first equation. Here 1 by n. So if n equal to 0, the power of p becomes 0. If n equal to 1, the power of p becomes 1. Okay. So let us see this graph. X by m is plotted against p. That is, x by m is the amount of adsorption. P is the pressure. So pressure increases, the amount of adsorption also increases. Let us see the graph. The adsorption increases. That is, in the first equation x by m is directly proportional to p power 1 by n. That is proportional to p power 1 by n. So if let us substitute the value of n, that is if n is equal to 0, the power of p becomes 0. So x by m is proportional to p power 0. If n equal to 1, the power of p becomes the value 1. So x by m is proportional to p power 1. Okay. This is the graphical representation. That is, we have seen about the effect of pressure on adsorption of the gases on the solid surface. So, this is the effect of pressure. So, then we will see about the limitation of this equation. This equation is valid over a limited pressure range. That is, up to a limited pressure range only this equation is valid, because PS is reached. So, what is meant by PS? That is the saturated pressure. If PS is reached, the rate of adsorption does not vary. So, even after applying the high pressure, the rate of adsorption saturates. It does not vary even after applying high pressure. So, this equation is only up to a limited pressure range. Okay. So, this is the Freundlich adsorption isotherm in detail, that is adsorption isotherm and the Freundlich equation and the terms in this equation, then the graphical representation of this equation and the limitation of this equation. So, if you all like this video, please share it, comment it and like it. Subscribe our YouTube channel Chemistryland and also press the bell icon. Watch the full video. Thank you.